Welcome to Inside the Deal. I'm Suzanne Stevens. With me today is Jack Hendler. Jack is president of the fashion retail-focused investment bank Net Worth Solutions, Inc. Jack, we talked in May, and at that point, deal flow for you had not really changed that much over the last couple of years. Is that still the case?
Yeah, deal flow is still pretty strong. The types of deals that we're seeing have varied, and the structure of the deals have varied. And the economy itself, clearly what's going on with the banking institutions and the lack of credit have created other opportunities within the transaction world. Leverage is still an issue, and it's only well-financed companies that can make acquisitions. Also seeing the private equity sector is starting to heat up a little bit. We're actually showing a significant private equity player, one of our jewelry companies that Net Worth has been representing over the last few months. And we're getting a couple calls from private equity saying we have availability, and I guess year end is coming, and they need to get some transactions done.
But strategics have been in the driver's seat more so in this environment than they have in the past.
98%. Where in the past 2-3 years, 70% of all transactions went to private equity and non-strategics. Strategics right now have the driver's seat for sure.
Jack, there's certainly a lot of distress that is driving deal making in the market, but are you seeing a lot of actual bankruptcies in the retail sector?
Not as many as we had expected. Financial institutions are being a little more lenient and recognizing that the economy has changed and everybody across the board is suffering. So the bankruptcies aren't happening as much as the companies themselves being a little more focused on core competencies and asking us to sell off what we would call excess divisions in order to lighten up their balance sheet as well as give them the opportunity for growth in their core business.
Jack, a lot of the deals that I've seen that you've been involved in and others that we're writing about here at The Deal seem to be kind of focused in the smaller and middle market area. Do you think that will continue to be the case, or do you think we'll see any large retail mergers out there due to the economy?
I think that most of the deals that we're going to see are going to be in the companies doing $100 million and less. Anything beyond that is going to take a fair amount of financing, and since there really isn't any available financing or certainly any leverage, I think it's going to be some time, probably not to the latter part of next year, where we're going to see the larger companies going into acquisitions or sales.
Jack Hendler with Net Worth Solutions. Thanks for coming in.
I appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
I'm Suzanne Stevens. Thanks for watching Inside the Deal.